Revolutionizing manufacturing, the impact of 3D printing. Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where the complex becomes simple and innovation is right at our fingertips. In this video, we will delve into the transformative world of 3D printing, a technology that is reshaping the entire manufacturing landscape. Tech enthusiasts and industrialists alike will discover how additive manufacturing is not just changing but revolutionizing how we produce goods. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching. At its core, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that builds objects layer by layer from digital models. This technology allows us to turn imaginative concepts into tangible realities with remarkable precision. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which often entail removing material from a larger piece, additive manufacturing constructs objects by stacking material layer upon layer. This fundamental shift heralds a groundbreaking era of production potential. Traditional manufacturing methods require intricate molds and heavy machinery to shape materials. This approach tends to be both time-consuming and costly, particularly for complex designs. When a new component is needed, the entire mold-making process begins again, adding more time and expenses. In stark contrast, 3D printing eliminates the need for these specialized tools, allowing manufacturers to bypass several steps in the production process. This translates into significant savings in both time and cost, heralding a new level of efficiency in manufacturing. The advantages of 3D printing extend beyond just efficiency. The ability to create complex geometries that were previously deemed impossible or too costly to produce allows designers and engineers to explore new dimensions in creativity and functionality. This flexibility empowers manufacturers to bring unique and custom designs to market more rapidly than ever before. Moreover, 3D printing is inherently more cost-effective than traditional methods. The speed and affordability with which it can transform a digital design into a physical object are opening doors to new business opportunities and innovative practices that were previously out of reach. 3D printing's influence is being felt across a myriad of industries, each benefiting from its unique capabilities. Let's take a closer look at a few examples. Aerospace. The industry demands lightweight components to improve fuel efficiency and performance. 3D printing enables the creation of optimized, lightweight parts that maintain strength while reducing overall weight. Healthcare. Customization is king in healthcare, and 3D printing offers unprecedented personalization. Prosthetics and implants can now be tailored to fit individual patients precisely, improving the quality of life for many. These capabilities not only highlight the versatility of 3D printing but also underscore its role in pushing the boundaries of what's possible in product design and development. Beyond enhanced functionality, 3D printing fosters innovation by enabling the production of highly customized products. Manufacturers can create items designed specifically for a single user or a very niche market, broadening the scope of products available and catering to diverse consumer needs. This shift toward personalization holds vast potential for transforming consumer experiences across sectors. In today's climate-conscious world, the environmental benefits of 3D printing cannot be overstated. Traditional manufacturing processes often result in significant material wastage. Conversely, additive manufacturing uses only the amount of material necessary to build an object. This approach not only cuts down on waste but also aligns with sustainable manufacturing practices that are becoming crucial to preserve our planet for future generations. Another remarkable impact of 3D printing is how it levels the playing field for small businesses and startups. Previously, manufacturing required substantial upfront investments in machinery and tooling, effectively barring entry to all but the well-funded. Now, with access to affordable 3D printers, small businesses and inventors can rapidly prototype ideas, develop products, and introduce them to market with unprecedented speed. This access democratizes innovation and fuels a new wave of creativity and entrepreneurial ventures. The ability to create quick prototypes facilitates real-world testing and feedback much sooner in the product development cycle. This rapid iteration can significantly shorten the timeline from concept to market-ready product, allowing companies to respond more swiftly to consumer demands and technological advancements. The iteration enabled by 3D printing ensures that products are better refined and more successful upon launch. 3D printing is opening up manufacturing in ways never thought possible. It allows a wider diversity of people to engage with production, driving innovation and technological advancement from all corners of the globe. This democratization encourages involvement from diverse talents, fostering creativity and prompting unique approaches that might otherwise never gain traction. 3D printing, like any innovation, faces its own set of technological challenges. Speed, material limitations, and the complexity of scaling up production remain areas for improvement. However, ongoing research and development promise solutions to these challenges, suggesting an even brighter future for this transformative technology. Looking ahead, the role of 3D printing in manufacturing is only set to expand. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see an increasing number of applications, from building entire structures to creating complex biological tissues. The possibilities are vast, and the potential impact on manufacturing is profound. Consider the countless success stories that illustrate the real-world impact of 3D printing. In aerospace, companies are already cutting production costs and time significantly, with some components taking a fraction of the time to produce compared to traditional methods. In healthcare, 3D printing has revolutionized the creation of prosthetics, making them more accessible and affordable for those in need. These real-world applications offer a glimpse into how 3D printing technology is not just transforming current practices but paving the way for innovations that redefine entire industries. As we wrap up our exploration of 3D printing, it's clear that this technology is more than just a passing trend. It stands as a revolutionary force within the manufacturing sector, poised to take us into a new era of efficiency, creativity, and accessibility. For tech enthusiasts and industry professionals alike, understanding and harnessing the potential of 3D printing will be crucial in navigating the future landscape of manufacturing. Join us as we continue to explore this ever-evolving technology and its boundless possibilities. Like, share, subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.